Friends, welcome to another video. Today we will be looking at the Nifty analysis plus the stocks which can be traded for tomorrow's trading session. So let's start with trading Nifty. What exactly it is giving? Today, as expected, Nifty opened gap down and it was dragging down since it was having negative premises in the previous trading session. Today it was a quite simple trade. When I saw this swing created, I just plotted this my tool, retracement tool, and entered somewhere around here. Shorted here with a stop loss just above this swing high, and my target I booked half at 127 extension of this swing, which was somewhere around here. Yeah, it was 575 around, and rest half of the lots I just kept it trailing, and I just closed at 315 like that. So this is one approach you can apply where you can book if you can see that the day is trending and it has very much stand to the downside or to the upside, then you can book half of the target at 127 extension and trail half, or maybe you can just keep open it till 315. So it is a risky both sides. If the trade is reversing from here, you will be getting stopped out at break even, or your once this 127 extension target was met, I moved it to 615, 17,615. So it was like rest of the lot was break even plus 5-10 points, and it was kept open till 10:15. So for tomorrow, what we can expect from Nifty futures is we will be opening short positions somewhere around 17,540 or 17,555 in this range, with a stop loss just above this swing, and our target as usual which will be 127 extension of this swing, this regular swing. It will come somewhere around 17,440 roughly. So let's see how the day unfolds tomorrow for Nifty. So let's talk about the stocks which I have selected for tomorrow. First one is Sun TV. Sun TV, as you can see, despite the bloodbath on the Reliance Street, it was holding quite good. So I'll be opening a long position in this one of this swing, somewhere around 491.5 in this area. If you go to 3-minute chart and you see, this is a quite good pivot where I'll be expecting some bounce. So I'll be opening the long position somewhere around 491.5, keeping the stop loss just below 487.5 with a target of 5008 to 510 in this range. Other stock which is for short side, it is India Bulls Housing. As we can see, it has traded in a sideways range, and at later half of the day it was able to break the day low today. So I'll be expecting a retracement into this area, which is short around 127.8, keeping the stop loss just above this 128.2, and target will be 127 extension of this thing, which will come around roughly around 126. Another stock which is holding quite good despite in this carnage is Tata Communications. So it is in the later half of the swing, which is from this 1120 to 1166. So I'll be opening my position if the price remains stagnant tomorrow here and opens with a positive by somewhat, then I'll be opening position around 1128 or 1130 with a stop loss just below 1119, below this swing, with a target of 1-to-1 extension of this swing, which comes around 1179. Okay, let's get ahead to rain industry. There was a comment from one of the friends. He wanted to understand about the logic behind rain industry, what we could have done when we were trading this today. So let's get to 15-minute chart. Okay, so one thing which he was saying, that what we could have done on 15-minute chart, or once we see that it is retracing on 1 hour chart. I have also given the fourth stock as like this. So I'll be buying around 191 in this area with a stop loss around 189.75, and my target will be 121 extension of this 1.27 extension, which will be around 197.5 or 198 roughly. So let's understand what exactly we could have done. So when we open this chart in the morning, we would have easily seen that it has made a new structure low. So what is our expectation next? Our expectation next should be that this stock should retrace minimum to 61.8 retracement, right? So there can be two approaches. Either you do not wait on and watch what the price is unfolding and keep a limit order here. So you get entry short here and with a stop loss somewhere around here. So in the process, you will be getting stopped out here, plain and simple. The other approach which I usually follow, once it gets towards 61.8 retracement, I'll be watching this trade. I'll be watching this price action. So I want this price to do something like this, make a smaller swing low. Getting a point? I will expect that in this area, this price will be making, or it will be getting aligned to this flow. Since it is in downtrend, this particular thing on 3 minute is in downtrend and 15 minute also downtrend. So if I'm trading on 15 minute, I will not look the chart on 1 hour. Simple. I will only look at 15-minute chart, and for better precise entry, I will be drilling it down to 5 minute or 3 minute. So one approach can be you open a simple straight away at 61.8. Another approach which I usually follow is this thing. I will wait for it to make a smaller structure like this, and I will open my entry short somewhere around here. If it comes into this area of 61.8 retracement, I will open short entry here in this area, keeping my stop loss just above this high. But my target will be this range of entire swing on 15 minute. From here, I will be expecting this. But as you can see, price never made an attempt to go lower from here. It kept on going up by making new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. In the process, breaking above this and changing the short-term trend to upside. Now we can see that it is making an uptrend. Now I will not try to short it as of now. It may go lower. You know, market is something you cannot predict exactly. You just trade on probabilities. So for tomorrow, I have purposely opened this rain industry as a candidate for tomorrow. What we can expect tomorrow, since this is making new low like this, you see, low, 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 but this last swing is very small. So I will expect this and break above this, making it into a new uptrend. Plus then I will be expecting this. Once it is done, I will be measuring this swing, opening my position somewhere around 61.8, 61.8, stop loss just below this swing, and target as usual will come somewhere around this. It looks a big target, but yeah, it will be somewhere around here. Once this level is reached, previous high, I will keep on trailing. So this is the analysis which was requested by one of my friends on the comment section. So if you find it useful, please share with your friends, family, so that maximum people can get the benefit of the content. So thank you and have a nice trading session tomorrow.